Merry Christmas! It's the season to be jolly and we look forward to the Christmas food. Let's get started on our Christmas ham. Remove the ham from the package, then place it in some file paper inside of your baking tray that's big enough to fit the ham inside the oven. You wrap your ham fully and put it in the oven to bake. Then remove the excess fat and skin and place some cuts of slant on the ham and place some cloves inside your ham. We decided to use some of the sorrel for the sauce and some sugar, pineapple, and the pineapple juice to make the glaze for our we're also gonna be using some of the sweet and spicy sauce and cherries as well to decorate the and you see here she is glazing and brushing the ham with some thyme and decorate it and then put it back in the oven and let it bake a little bit more to get golden brown.